Hey, this is Don Kryptonium, and to be completely honest with you, I don't even think you should watch this video. Look at the market. Look what's happening. It's up. Bitcoin 24 hours, 8% up. 7 days over 30% up. Ethereum 22% up. Crazy, right? What is going on here? I have nothing to talk, right? I should leave because I'm the bearish guy. But I want to think, because everyone, I'm hearing the voices from here, from there. By the way, like this video, okay? Like this video to support Don Kryptonium. So this is less about crypto. I'm not going to do any editing to speed it up. It's easy discussion, okay? So I hear my friends, my crypto friends. I look at the Twitter of the crypto bros, and the crypto bros are saying the money printer is on. It's over. Bitcoin going to go 100. Ethereum pump. My friend saying, like, the printer's on. We are back in the bull market, okay? And I want to believe that. And I'm going to tell you, I don't know. Maybe crypto will go up, but it's much more nuanced. So we need to, I will try to picture this with the articles to help you, because many people picture that this increase in the balance sheet of the Federal Reserve Bank, which many people, if you don't know, the Federal Reserve increased the balance sheet by a few hundred billion. I believe it might happen by 2 trillion. Somewhere said, I don't know. They increased by a few hundred billion, right? So does it mean the same thing that 2020? That everything gonna pump? No, you need to understand what they did back then. They gave the stimulus to everyone for consumption and use for the speculative investments. This increase of the balance sheet after a year of trying to decrease the balance sheet and take away the money supply of the market, they increase it to provide the lifeline for the banks that went with wrong decisions, that don't have money, okay? So the institutions can access the money. Is there any increase in the money going to consumption and speculative investment via this doing? Not really. The money still remains tight. And I told you a few months ago that the money will be too tight for crypto to pump. It's pumping now on the reaction, lack of trust into the bank, right? So you can see CoinDesk said, the net assets on the Fed balance sheet increased 300 billion, but it's not a quantitative easing, right? So the increase in the balance sheet is temporary reflection of the runs on the various weak banks, like Silicon Valley Bank, right? So they could leave and contagion would happen, and that would be problem. Institutions would not access money, so they want to liquefy the banks, so nothing like this happens. So everyone can stay afloat. Why it happens? Because Fed aggressively increases interest rates, right? So the dollars are very scarce. And to be honest, dollar is very strong as of now. Dollar is still strong. And quite possible, dollar will continue strengthening with these high interest rates. And there is no easy decisions, because you still have high inflation that kind of plateaued, right? But they are so committed to killing this inflation that you can see even Carl Icahn, legendary investor, urge to stay on this path, which is very strange and very confusing, because on one side you increase the interest rates, on the other side you increase the balance sheet to support those who go bust. Sorry for messy bed, I was letting my cat out. To go give the lifeline to those who go bust as the result of increased interest rates, right? So really difficult situation, trying to navigate the heavy depression and the dump of the market, but at the same time pushing the banks to really issues, right? The creating the tide of the money. So Andy Kosman, that was the word of Andy Constant, whoever it is. And here is another information, right? That Fed might stake on the course with increase of 25 basic points. So this was the reaction, for the crypto. That's how it reacts. This was the reaction to falling bank, crypto as the safe haven. The thing is, crypto is at over $1 trillion market cap. For crypto to pump, you need really a lot of money, a lot of institutions. So the question is, for crypto to go to market cap to $2 trillion, are the institutions well funded to push the market cap higher, or they are not well funded and this pump will not be as great as some people expect, okay? So that's one. I don't think they are well funded. They have proven the money is tight. Distrust in the banks. So on the one side you have distrust in banks, but on the other side, the Fed is giving the lifeline to those banks in crisis, making sure that the people continue trusting in the banks, right? So the customers are not going to lose money. The problem is that with that, the weak banks are falling, and it creates further centralization of the banks and increases the power of the Federal Reserve Bank, which is quite troublesome because it all leads to one stronger centralized entity. And I think this will not bring vibrant economy, okay? But yeah, what I want to say, don't expect that this increase of the balance sheet is going to pump everyone. You're not gonna see this money. It's not going to enter economy. So you need to understand the fact that the balance sheet is increased. It doesn't really mean that it's going to enter economy in the way to boost your bags, okay? I don't know where it's going to go. I would stay vigilant. It could go maybe Bitcoin even to 40k, right? Who knows? But I don't think it will sustain. I still think there are difficult times ahead unless we would really get some crazy adoptions and institutions stop trusting the banks and flood with all their money to crypto. But I wouldn't be that confident with this. People are scared, institutions are scared, and no one knows what to do, right? No one knows if they should keep money in the bank, buy gold, crypto, buy land, treasuries. Everyone is very confused. So don't think that everyone will be super trusty into one direction of crypto. And look, at the end, go get yourself the NFT, the only real store of value, Pocket Bisu. Maybe it will mint out soon. I'm sad it didn't mint because they're super cute. I got bunch. And maybe there will be just like meme ducks. You remember, I told you, mint the meme duck, 250 stars. Look at this, 12,700 stars. You could be rich by now. You could be at the Caribbean island by now. And you missed on that, But to be honest, I'm not sure. I really like this one. I should buy more. I didn't buy them, but you can see that the offers is 3.5k. So this price might be not sustainable, but they do amazing. They are very popular on the Stargaze. And me saying now I ensure their popularity and how many holders there is of the meme ducks. They are so well distributed. They're like blue gem, only 100 of them. 60 wallets, 60 unique wallets. Polkachu is one of these wallets here. We could see what he holds. I really regret not having, but yeah, that's really impressive. That you have 60 wallets. They don't have rarity, which is annoying because they don't have metadata. I'd love to see some metadata, okay? But with that, don't Cryptoniums out. Hey. Never lose your mind. Remember, get some sun. Vitamin D is good for you. Don't Cryptoniums out. Till the next time.